Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I have been using a juicer for quite some time now, and in my video today I thought of sharing with you the review, demo, pros and cons of the juicer. Please note that this is not a sponsored video. It is totally based on my experience of using it for the last 2 years. So do watch the video till the end. So let's get started. This is the box of the Philips Viva Collection juicer. It is a 400 watt juicer. It comes with a quick clean technology which makes it easier to clean the juicer. According to this, it can extract 1.5 liters of juice in one go. Philips has provided a 2-year warranty for this juicer. The package has a quick start guide for reference. It also comes with a manual. So this is how the juicer looks. It is black in color and looks very neat and smart. It comes with a jug of 500 milliliter capacity which helps to collect the juice. Now let us check the attachment of the juicer. The juicer can be unlocked by opening the side locks this way. There is one speed button for extracting the juice. This is the cap above it and you can simply remove it this way. This is the juicer extractor blade. I have used it almost daily in the last 2 years and the blade is still working perfectly. The mesh here acts as a sieve to filter the fresh juice. This is the see-through jar where the fruit or vegetable pulp gathers after the juice is extracted at one place for easy disposal. This is the juicer motor and is designed in such a way that it is well concealed. This is the juicer crusher used to press fruit from the top for extracting the juice. All the attachments gets assembled in this way. First goes the see-through jar, then comes the juice extractor blade, and then the cap above it. Now let us lock both the sides of the juicer this way. Your juicer is ready to use. There are 3 vacuum legs provided in the bottom part so that the juicer does not move from its position while using it. You can rotate the mouth of the juicer to face above so that dripping is avoided after extracting the juice. Now let us see the demo of the juicer. Let me first show you by making apple juice. For the long life and maintaining the durability of the juicer, I have been cutting the fruits and vegetables into 3 to 4 pieces before entering into the juicer. You need not cut into very small pieces, you can just cut them into 3 to 4 medium-sized pieces. The juice will be ready in no time. Let us now switch off the juicer. Your fresh apple juice is ready. This is the juice of 1 apple. Now I will show you the demo of making orange juice. I have cut an orange into 4 pieces and peeled the outer cover before putting into the juicer. The orange juice is ready in less than 5 seconds. You can rotate the mouth of the juicer to face upwards to avoid dripping. These are the juices which I made with the juicer today, and they are just too good. Now let me quickly show you the cleaning process. After using the juicer, the pulp of the fruits and vegetables will be collected in the pulp container. You can throw the pulp into the dustbin. I clean the juicer manually with hands using a sponge, and it takes less than a minute to clean all the parts except the blade. The blade also takes less than a minute to clean, and I will show you the process shortly. You could use normal dish soap along with water to clean it. Cleaning the juicer collector. Now cleaning the fruit crusher. Now cleaning the body lid. Now let us clean the pulp container. Let's now clean the mouth of the juicer. The blade has to be cleaned with a scrubber, as the tiny pulp of the fruits and vegetables will be stuck in the sides of the micro net. This also does not take much time, and you will be able to clean in less than a minute. As you can see, the cleaning process is quite fast and easy. Now let us talk about the review of the juicer. I have been using the juicer for the last 2 years, and personally I am in love with it. The plus point is that the juicer is easy to use and maintain, and it can extract up to 1.5 liters of juice at one go. The not so good factor about the juicer is that it creates some amount of sound while in use, but that is still okay. Secondly, I think the price is a bit towards the higher side. Personally, I like the product, and if you're looking for a juicer, you could check out this one. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, do give it a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And please do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.